Product on clearance. Check it out, only $12. Super cool. I've been using Hart products for quite a while because they go on clearance, and they're good. You know, it's awesome to get them for such a great price. And I didn't grab a oh, I did grab a battery. All right. Couldn't even remember. All right, so this one has the spout that goes like that. This one's longer than the last one I got, and it is really easy to break this piece off. You got to be careful. Like, I think the last one I had didn't look quite the same, but let's see. Yeah, I would say they completely changed their design from last year, and what a deal at $12. Thanks for watching, guys.